Rick Hill Imports. Welcome to Rick Hill Imports, Kingsport's Mercedes-Benz dealer.
If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Visit Rick Hill Imports today, located at 861 East Stone Drive in Kingsport, Tennessee.